So, what we have here is a device that the stores use for security purposes, so you won't jack it. But we didn't jack it. We walked out of the store and they left this thing on. But I took it off, and I'm going to show you how I took it off. Where's that thing at? Oh, here it is. Okay, what we have here is a dremel with a cutting tool on it, and it goes like this. And I drill like that. Wait, you can't see. So you cut that top part off until so you cut that top piece off right there. Well, the garment or whatever you buy is going to be stuck in between these two pieces like that. All you got to do is just cut that top piece off, and you'll see that right here there's a hole right there. Let me see my camera. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's over there. There's a hole right there that this was inside of, and you cut the top part off right there, and you're able to pry it apart with your nails like that, if it is good enough, or you can just use a small screw and carefully just stick the tool, the prying tool, which I'm using a screwdriver, in here, and I just go like that and pop, and there it is. And if you stole it, stop stealing. Later.